Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So while I'm trying to talk to you, I'm trying to look for a sentiment that I want, and that's not working out. So let me just find a sentiment here in a stamp set. Okay, so I am working on May 2024's Paper Pumpkin Alternatives. This is alternative number 20. The best there is. Let me get my other light on because it looks a little dark. Oh, so, I think I have 3 more cards. One is going to be this. I've got some stuff pulled out for it, but I got to cut it and prep it. This is not that video. But I think I have 3 more projects. I could have done much more if I cut. I'm using 2 card bases as they are, and I could have done more. But I'm running out of time as I got doctor's appointments lined up. Football is going to be starting. The end of school is here. And even though the days are longer in summertime, my time is shorter. It goes like this. So anyways, this is a look at the instruction sheet. So you got to do all the envelopes this time were the same. 3 of this one, 3 of this one, 3 of this one. On the back is a QR code to lead you to a video to show you how to make these cards as they were designed. This QR code will lead you to the Thanks and Beyond dies. If you don't want to go there, the order number is 164397. I have used these, and these coordinate with April, May, and June. Can't wait. So, and then a visual of everything in the kit, the coordinating colors. I don't know where my box is. It's over there. This shows you Happy Father's Day, the trees with love and admiration, and you're the best there is. So let's get on with it. I got some dollar store stuff here. We'll put that aside because I'm not sure which of those. We're going to use the last floral bit. I forgot to write down floral from the kit. The last circle tree, this is the one that came. So the circle with the trees, an envelope flap, and this, I love this. I just love this card base. I love the whole texture of it, and a white envelope. Excuse me. So we're going to do a little cutting, and this is a simple one. I've tried to keep relatively a lot of these very, very simple. So hopefully that resonates with some of you, and hopefully you guys will look at this and say, oh yes, I can do that. So first things first, we are going to make this a square-ish, right? So we got to cut off these curved ends. That's the first thing. Now I'm thinking, what if it doesn't fit? Oh, it's going this way, so it is going to fit. So it needs to be at 4 1/4. But let's take off. So it will be at 1 3/4 by 4 1/4. So that goes into the recycle bin. And we will cut this down to 4 1/4 because it's going this way. All right. I don't think I need to cut anything else off. This is really, really simple. Am I going to do this flat? I don't know. So here is, that is going in the center. I want this below it. I know this for certain. I want this right here, and I'm not even going to cut this one apart because it fits beautifully on here. The trick is do I want to put a butterfly? That really doesn't go with the tree. So the butterflies are a no, but I just thought I would look because, see, if I wasn't using the trees, I would. So what I'm going to use is this little one. It says, all things are possible if you believe. Absolutely love that. Maybe we'll put... See, that doesn't go either. So the butterflies are definite no, 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 no. So let's get this circle in place, and we're going to make this totally flat. We just are. Yes, I know dimensionals are great. This is just one of those simple cards. It's going to be blank on the inside. So I'm just putting it like 3/4 of an inch down from the top in the center-ish. Then I'm going to glue this little piece of the envelope flap that we cut to 1 3/4. Don't start messing up now. Oh, I need to get the water on in my garden. Sorry, it's getting... My hubby went fishing, which is good for him and the neighbor. I'm so happy. Okay. So we're going to just add little dots of glue here and there. Yes, it's a little time consuming sometimes, but a little squiggly of glue in there. Let's get those reverse tweezers to give us a helping hand. And we're going to get this glued on. This, guys, is going to be so quick and easy. Now, if you don't have a sticker with the sentiment, I would use, which way? The branches are going up. I would use a very small circle, like a smaller than a 1 3/4, like 1 1/4 inch, and find a sentiment that would fit on it. I wanted something small. Now, this has that silly, has a dimensional, silly dimensional. Sorry, you were needed to go on the packaging, but not my card. So that one came on. I'm getting better at that. Now look at this. That's all there is to it. That's all I'm doing, guys. It has those rhinestones, which now I'm looking at them and I'm thinking, oh no. But it's okay. I think this will pass. I think it will do the job and pass. There it is. That will... Yes, it will pass. And I am going, we're going to stamp the trees. You guys know, did you know that I couldn't just do it simply? Did you know? I just can't. Oh, in our envelope. So we got to do some stamping, and we are going to stamp the trees. Oh, we're going to do all things are possible if you believe. Is it going to move? No, I see it's a little crooked for me. I want early espresso, where did it go to? Oh, I put my little bit here on top of it. I was going to say, oh, let's do it in Misty Midnight, but no. No. Let's just stick with the program, right? So this leaves us lots of room to write. Did I clean that stamp off? Yes, I did. Good. Okay, so our trees are going here. It's stained with the Mary Merlot from the last one. And our envelope. Guys, you need to stamp your envelope. I understand now stamping in the bottom right-hand corner is a no-no. Okay, but over here, stamp. On the back of the flap, go ahead and stamp and make it look pretty. So we're going to start our trees like right here. And then I'm going to do the whole back of this envelope flap. Just gives it a little extra down there. Now, if you want to ground those top trees, add that little grounding bit. You can add some there. Just darken it up. All right. So the back, let's go ahead. Since we did that, we're going to ground it out here. So we got to fill in the ground, and we have to do this on the inside of our card as well. Oh, let's put this on the inside. Believing you, that's how you make your dreams come true. Oh, this would be a good graduation card. Let's do that. I want to set all that stamped stuff well away from me. And we need, we're going to pull it apart and take off the inside too, because I don't want, little surgery never hurt anybody until I cut myself. But the razor blade is honestly so dull. I move it out here after it's done its job in the house. Because see, we have this stamped again. Ooh, look at that. We can now put this. You could put it right there. But no. I'm just now going to keep that in there. Now that we have two. Oh, no. There's sticky stuff on it and you can see it. So this is going to get glued back to it. Because it gives it that little border. Almost thought it was going to work, but it's not. That's not going to work. See, now it's going to have that little border around it. So, this has kind of got like a plastic coating. Okay, we're going to kiss it with a little bit of tear tape just to make sure it's going to stay. And we'll put glue down the center and on the tear tape itself, but by the way, y'all, you guys make doing this so enjoyable. Thank you. Thank you for watching, sharing my videos, for taking the time to watch something that I create. It's just fabulous. I love that you connect with me and chat with me through the comments or through email. Or the mail. I love the mail, guys. I wouldn't be sitting here making all these cards if I didn't love to use the mail. So we are going to put that right there. All things are possible if you believe. Believe in you. That's how you make your dreams come true. Love it. I'm so happy now. It's so much better with that on the inside. So there you have it. There's my card for video number 20. Now I'm going to work on video number 21. 23 will probably be, I'm pretty sure it's going to be the last one, and that's going to be this one. So stay tuned, right? Yeah, it's not going to be vintagey. I'm going to change it up a bit. But the fold will be the same. So you guys are the best. Thank you so very much. And please feel free to comment, connect with me, chat with me. I enjoy it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And as always, please come back and visit me in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.